Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty. All right, are you looking for a better way to get your cat back? Then check out this classic bluesy bass line that anyone can play regardless of your piano skill. This is sure to get your cat back in no time. This bass line is really easy to play. All you need to know is how the minor scale works. So I was playing in the key of C minor, and really the notes that make this thing work are going to be your C note, so your root, down a full step to your B flat, down another full step to your A flat, and then a half step to your G. So that's a really common bass line. The Cat Came Back uses it. Hit the Road Jack uses it. So there's a couple ways that you can practice this to get yourself familiar with it. You can start off just playing straight octaves, just kind of go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just kind of cycle that. If you want to give it a bit more musical texture and flavor, you can try. So that gives it some cool dramatic flair. So all I'm doing is A flat, B flat, A flat, G. And you can try even A-Bing them, so just maybe one way down, all just kind of normal. Then do the fancy bit. And if you want to challenge yourself even further and maybe you've got some familiarity with chords, you can try playing it like this. So let your right hand kind of mimic the bass line going down. So start off in C minor. Your next progression is going to be actually a G minor chord. So I'm going to keep my G as a constant through this whole progression. So my pinky is always up here. But now I'm playing B flat and I'm playing D with my finger 2. So now to get to my A flat chord, I'm playing A flat with my thumb, just following that bass line. I'm moving my finger 2 from D down to C. And of course, my pinky just stays hanging out on G. And now to get to my G chord, that's a really cool chord movement there. So my thumb, again, follows that bass line. And my finger 2 goes from C to B. All right, so enjoy that lesson. Be sure to get your pets spayed and or neutered, and we'll see you all at another piano video. Bye for now.